Audi has added a new model to its R8 range, the Performance RWD, rear-wheel drive, model, which will be the new entry point to the R8 sports car lineup when it goes on sale on October 21st. V10 This means the standard R8 V10 Quattro and V10 RWD models have been left out of the lineup, and every R8 for sale will wear the performance badge, with both rear and all-wheel drive models available. Prices in Europe and Germany will start at €149,000 for the coupe and €162,000 for the Spider. The two models are more powerful. Using the same 5.2-liter V10 mid-engine, the R8 V10 Performance RWD engine produces 562 horsepower, 29 horsepower more than the outgoing R8 V10. The torque is 550 Nm. Power is transmitted to the rear axle only via a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, while the car accelerates from 0 to 100 km/h in 3.7 seconds for the coupe and 3.8 seconds for the Spider. The top speed of the coupe is 328 km/h in the coupe and 327 km/h in the Spider. The loss of the front axle in the R8 V10 Performance Quattro results in a lighter weight of 1,590 kg for the coupe and 1,695 kg for the Spider. The RWD model is equipped with a mechanical limited-slip differential, while switching to a rear-wheel drive-only setting also means the car features a reset escape setting. For example, in sport driving mode, traction control will allow for an easily controllable slip angle. The R8 V10 Performance RWD is also equipped with Audi Dynamic Steering, a variable steering system that changes the steering ratio depending on the selected driving mode and vehicle speed for increased steering stability or sharp cornering when required. It is the first time that the system has been installed with a rear-wheel drive in an R8. In terms of styling, the R8 V10 Performance RWD inherited the same tweaks and features as the other R8 Performance models. The grille is matte black and coordinated with the large front splitter, while the R8 is fitted at the rear with large oval exhaust pipes. In some markets, buyers will have a choice of 10 colors, while a gloss black detail package will be standard along with 19-inch twin-spoke alloy wheels. Inside, Nappa leather-trimmed sports seats are fitted as standard, along with Audi's 12.3-inch digital virtual cockpit instrument cluster and wireless smartphone charging box. The specifications of the first version are distinguished by more equipment and a starting price of €162,000. It includes 20-inch wheels painted bronze, Nappa leather with diamond contrast stitching, and a Bang & Olufsen and premium sound system. Edition models are also offered with the 10,590 carbon fiber styling package,